Episode 10 ended with good news. Drawdown down to 2.4%, strategy looking prop firm ready. But there was a problem, we hadn't actually solved it yet. That strategy only trades EURUSD and it only fires about 1.5 times a month. Most prop firm challenges want to see you actively trading 10 or more days a month. At 1.5 trades a month, even with unlimited time, that's not a real account. That's barely a hobby. So today's question is simple. Can we fix this by just adding more pairs? Or is there something deeper we are missing? Claude's roadmap from last episode was clear. Two highest priority steps. Add 3 to 5 currency pairs. Add a 4-hour trend filter. Both solve the same core problem. Not enough trades and single quality that needs improving. So we did it both at once. Same 1 hour time frame, 50 by 200 SMA crossover, same RSI filter, same stop loss and take profit from episode 10. Just running it across 4 pairs instead of 1. With 4-hour trend filter only allowing trades in the direction of the bigger trend. And the first results look genuinely exciting. EURUSD alone 55 trades plus $478 over 3 years. 4 pairs combined 178 trades plus $2,283. That's almost 5 times better. Active tradings jump from 1.5 days to 4.1 days per month. And one pair stood out completely. GBPUSD 50% win rate, the first pair in this entire series to win more than it losses. Plus $1,250, the best performance by so far. This is the cleanest equity curve we have produced. Consistent upward slope from mid 2024, controlled drawdowns, 4 pairs trading simultaneously, diversifying the risk. For a moment, it felt like we would solved it. But two numbers were still a problem. USDJPY was actively losing, 31% win rate, dragging the whole portfolio down. And even with 4 pairs, monthly return was sitting around 0.75%. Most prop firm targets want 8% within a defined window. We were nowhere close. So we asked an obvious next question. What if we don't just add pairs? What if we scale the position sizing dynamically with the account? Here's the idea. Instead of trading fixed zero point 0.1 lots no matter what, the bot calculates risk as a percentage of current account balance, max daily loss at 5% of balance, risk per trade as its slice of that daily limit. The stop loss distance then determines exactly how many lots that trade translate to. On a 10,000 account, that match works out to roughly zero point 0.1 lots, which is exactly where we started. But scale that to a 100,000 funded account, and the same percentage logic produces a full 1 lot per trade automatically. That was an important realization. Our small backtest wasn't broken, it was just sites for a 10k account. The same system scales properly once the account is bigger. But then, a more uncomfortable question came up. Is 1 hour time frame even the right time frame for a prop firm challenge in the first place? Most prop firm challenges expect meaningful trading activity within weeks, not months. At 4 to 6 trades a month, even across multiple pairs, we were still moving too slowly for most standard challenge structures. That's when we found something that changed the whole direction of the series. The 5 percenters. The prop firm we have been targeting from the start has no time limit on the challenge at all. Not 30 days, not 90 days. Unlimited. That single fact changed everything. We didn't need to force more trades out of a slow strategy. We needed a strategy that was honest about its own pace and a prop firm that didn't push patience. So we asked Claude the harder question. Not how do we add more pairs, but are we even using the right strategy for this job? And does the same strategy actually works equally across every pair, or have we just been assuming that? The answer was uncomfortable but important. GBPUSD, strong trends, 50% win rate, the strategy fits this pair well. EURJPY, strong directional moves, consistently positive. EURUSD, the most liquid, most choppy pair in the world, our exact same strategy swung between 17% and 44% win rate depending on the test, widely inconsistent. USDJPY, different underlying drivers entirely dropped. One strategy, 5 completely different outcomes. That told us something important. The strategy wasn't universally good or bad, it was good for trending pairs and bad for choppy ones. So we made the call on the data, not on a hunch. Same parameter across every pair we keep. No per pair optimization. Because tuning each pair individually on this little data is just curve fitting noise dressed up as precision. Keep GBPUSD, keep EURJPY, keep AUDUSD as a borderline yes. Drop USDJPY and USDCHF entirely. And the biggest admission, our 4-hour plus 1-hour SMA crossover approach is directionally correct, but fundamentally too slow. Even with 8 pairs running simultaneously, we would barely scrap the minimum number of trading days most challenges expect. This is the episode where we stopped optimizing the wrong thing and started asking whether we had built the right thing in the first place. If you have ever had to admit a project needs to change direction, you know how uncomfortable and how necessary that moment is. Hit subscribe if you want to see where this goes. Claude gave us two paths forward. Option A, keep refining what we have, extend the entry conditions, add a few more trending pairs, accept to 6 to 9 month timeline within the 5 years unlimited window. Option B, build something differently entirely, a session breakout strategy, trade the moment London or New York opens and price breaks the prior session range. 1 to 3 signals a day per pair instead of 1 a month. Win rates of 40 to 55% are realistic and well documented. This is what most prop firm traders who actually pass challenge are using. We are going with option B, not abandoning everything we had learned. The 4-hour trend filter, the dynamic position sizing, the daily risk rules all carry forward. But the entry signal itself needed to change completely. That's episode 11. We came in trying to fix a slow strategy by adding more pairs. We left having questioned whether the entire approach was right for the job. GBPUSD and EURUSD are keeping their seat at the table. EURUSD needs answers. USDJPY and USDCHF are out. And we are about to build something we haven't tried yet. A session breakout strategy designed the way real prop firm traders actually trade. Episode 12, we build it. See you on Sunday.